Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, open Settings and tap on Connections. Then select this switcher next to Bluetooth if it's not already on. And following that, click on Bluetooth feature. Over here, you need to wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to the device. Select Unpair at the bottom right corner. And now they're disconnected. You can connect to the same one by choosing it and tapping on Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!